Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the smooth scrolling feature in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So it's not any hardware adjustments, rather it's a software adjustment that when you use your mouse or touchpad to scroll through a web page and you use the roll wheel on your mouse, the page will move up and down by a certain amount in a more smooth fashion than it may otherwise. So a lot of web browsers will have this enabled by default. So I will show you guys how to turn it on or off. Perhaps you've turned it off by mistake in the past. You just want to make sure it's turned on again, or you don't know if it's turned on or off. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. One thing about smooth scrolling is it might take up a little bit more CPU usage on your computer. So if you're really conscious about every little bit of memory consumption, you might want to consider turning that off. So just something to keep in mind. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by selecting the menu icon up at the top right. So go ahead and left click on that and go down and select settings. On the right side, you want to scroll down near the bottom of this page here and go underneath browsing, and there should be a use smooth scrolling section. You either can uncheck that or check that option in order to turn it on or off. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to click on save or close out of anything. It should take effect immediately. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.